In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 keyboard stands available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the RockJam Xfinity Heavy Duty Keyboard Stand. We like to throw in a little bias now and then, and in this case, we're going to start with our personal favorite, the Xfinity by RockJam. We chose this model as our top pick because we believe it is a high-quality, dependable device at a price that most people can afford. It also has a lot of positive feedback on the internet. This X-frame stand allows you to fine-tune the height of your keyboard by adjusting it anywhere between 4 and 38 inches. It also has straps and rubber end caps to keep it from slipping. Overall, this is a wonderful alternative for live stage performances where a large keyboard requires a lot of stability. Check out our reviews of the top MIDI keyboard controllers if you're serious about having the highest sound quality. At number 4 is the Alesis Melody 61 MKII Portable Keyboard Stand. The Alesis Melody 61 may be the investment you're looking for if you want a keyboard, a stand, and a bench all in one box, plus more. However, keep in mind that this model is designed for youngsters. Adults, on the other hand, will be able to use it, though finding suitable leg space may be difficult. This model's adaptability is an important feature. You'll have no trouble moving the console and setting it up. The set also folds up into a little package that can be conveniently transported from point A to point B. It also comes with 3 height adjustment settings, making it excellent for children who are still growing. You can't go wrong with one of these tailgate speakers if you're looking for the ultimate speaker. Top 3 at our list is the Plixio Piano Keyboard Stand. Plixio's heavy-duty Z-style keyboard stand comes in at number 4. This design is great for musicians who prefer to alternate between sitting and standing while performing. Plixio Piano Keyboard Stand Z-style is a versatile solution for artists who like to preserve their rhythm no matter how they practice or perform because it easily fits both stances. This model also gets high marks for being controllable, it's lightweight, sturdy, it's a high-quality, robust product, and most importantly, affordable. You won't have to break the bank to get your hands on one of these. Check out these excellent tower speakers if you're searching for a strong speaker as well. Moving up at number 2 is the ChromaCast CC-KSTAND Double-Braced X-Style Keyboard Stand. The ChromaCast K-Stand Pro Series is a fantastic blend of quality and price, making it ideal for home use or organized concerts. It's designed to hold keyboards and mixers weighing up to 150 pounds and includes locking straps that accommodate most keyboard sizes. The disc clutch and pull knob operation make this model ideal for beginners. The CC-KSTAND is built to last, and may even outperform artists themselves, thanks to its double bar strength and support. This means that even if you buy this model as a beginner pianist, you can continue to use and rely on it as you advance in your musical career. You might also be interested in these excellent electronic drum kits. And at number 1 is the Amazon Basics Heavy Duty Adjustable Keyboard and Piano Stand. We can thank Amazon for its sleek, attractive, and reliable keyboard stand. The Amazon Basics Heavy Duty Adjustable Keyboard and Piano Stand is a strong model that's ideal for home use, church concerts, and even larger performances. The unit's double X-frame design also assures stability and balance, allowing you to let those fingers fly. This Amazon product also appeals to us because it is straightforward. Support, stability, and a comfortable playing experience have been the aspects that have been concentrated on and perfected. For a low-cost model, we give it a thumbs up. Check out these useful earplugs for concerts that every musician requires. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.